Alright, real quick video. I got this Intex 4-person inflatable hot tub spa all filled up with water, and I think it's heating. That's the lid that goes on the top. Came in like triple boxed. Thanks to my neighbor, helped me set this up. Quick little tour of this thing. It comes with a little bubble type mat that you set the unit on. You actually use the pump filter heater to air it up right here. And I got this thing, looks like it's heating. We'll go over that in a second, but I want to make sure that I got the electrical all set up. It's got a GFCI fault isolation thing, and it's sucking down about 1350 watts right now. Electrically, I just got it strung up right up there, over to there, and up into there. So electrically pretty good. I think it's heating. It says in the directions that at 50 degrees or so, and the water temp is about 55 right now, it's going to go really slow. So we'll see what happens here in the next 48 hours. The connections right down here, very difficult to see, but there's no hoses. I mean, this unit sits right up next to the tub itself. You can hear it running, and there is some water coming out of that element right there. That screws, that little light element right there screws into the side, and right below it is a filter. And I got some chlorine tab in this, which also, this is what I had out back in the backyard pool. And it also has a emergency lock button right here. So you turn this off, hold this down for 5 seconds, and then if you want bubbles, you push this button right here. I think. There it goes. There it goes. Pretty aggressive. But again, it's only 55 degree water. I'm not getting into this thing when it's that freaking cold. Pushes out some air. Wow. Turn the bubbler off. Pretty cool. Let's hope it gets hot. Got to set on 48 hours of heat, and you can actually set this so it runs continuously at 104 degrees. That's what I have it set at? Yep, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. But you don't have to use the timer function on this thing. I just got it set for 48 hours. 2 days. And then you said to put the cover on it to get it hot. There you have it. Oh yeah, that LED assembly right there unscrews. It's battery, AAA batteries, 3 AAA batteries. Got to put in that thing, and it does multicolor and flashes and does all that crazy Chinese stuff. There you have it. All right, let's hope it gets hot. Probably won't need that anymore if I can get this hot. All right, put the cover on it. All right, this is what it looks like all covered up. It's got some good pull down, keep tight latches right here. So unbuckle them right here like that. Buckle them back in and cinch it down. There you have it. Let's see if it was worth $600.